Hey there! Today, I want to share a recipe for one of my favorite meals, a 3-layer grilled cheese. First up, we have the classic blend of bread. I recommend using a white sandwich bread that's been sitting on the shelf for a while. This will give it a crispy texture that pairs perfectly with the soft and gooey cheese inside. Next, let's add some depth with an interesting ingredient. This time, I'm using smoked salmon. The salty flavor of the salmon will balance out the sweetness of the tomato sauce, creating a unique and delicious combination. Finally, to top it all off, we'll add some crunch with a slice of hard cheese. I recommend using a cheddar or brie cheese, as these will melt and infuse with the other flavors. To assemble the sandwich, we start by toasting the bread on both sides. Then, we spoon some tomato sauce over the bread, followed by some smoked salmon and finally, a slice of cheese. And there you have it, a delicious and nutritious 3-layer grilled cheese. This dish is perfect for a quick and easy lunch, or even a snack on a busy day. The combination of flavors and textures is sure to satisfy your taste buds and leave you feeling satisfied. So, there you have it, a recipe for a delicious and satisfying 3-layer grilled cheese. Give it a try and let me know what you think.